Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to do the major map assignment. Let's start off with what a major map is. So basically major maps outline the courses and requirements you must meet in order to graduate and when you must take them. So like what term you have to take each course in. It's very important for you to be familiar with this so you make sure that you're taking the right courses for your major first of all and taking them at the right times so you graduate on time and you're meeting the requirements so you're able to graduate. So to start off by doing the assignment, you're going to go back and you need to find your major. So if you go back here and you click ASU undergraduate degrees, and here on this page you can either search for your major if you know what you're looking for. If you don't, then you can scroll down here and explore undergraduate degrees by interest. So then you just choose, I'm going to choose business, and you can scroll down and it has a list of majors within that interest area. So let's say I choose business, and then you can just click on the major map link and it'll take you right to it. So here you go, here's your major map, and we're going to scroll down and we're going to be looking at term 1, but it shows you every term until you graduate, all the classes you'll need to take. So we're going to be looking at term 1 though, and those are all the classes you're going to need to take your first semester, so when you get to college. So now we're just going to go back, we're going to create a new document, and we're going to set it up so we can actually do the assignment. So on your new document, you're going to put major map, and then we're just going to create a link to the major map. Just title it what your major is, and then we're going to take the link right from here so your teacher can grade it and make sure you did it right. Now we're just going to create the table, so we need to insert a table. It's going to need to be 4 columns wide, and then obviously however many classes you have down. So we have 6 here, so we're going to make it 4 by 7 because you need to make sure you have a 1 for the titles. And then we're going to label them course, class number, location, and days and time. So those are all the things you're going to need to know in order to be successful and get to all your courses. So now we're just going to type in all of the course names. First one, obviously yours are going to be different, so type in what you need to take. So now for these two, they're electives, so you need to take one course in that subject area. So in order to find a course, you can just click on it and it'll take you to the course catalog. So you have to be careful with these because if they have prerequisites, you can't take them your first term unless you've taken the prerequisites. So for this one, I'm just going to choose sociology. I'm going to type that in. It didn't have any prerequisites. Now go back and we need a humanities, arts, and design. So the course catalog doesn't show you when the classes are, it just shows you the classes that are offered at ASU. And again, I'm just going to look for one that I'm interested in and doesn't have any prerequisites. There, I'm going to choose this one, Art in My World. So we're just going to type that in. Okay, so now that we have all the courses and listed out, we are going to look them up to get the rest of the information. So actually an easy way to get to the class search is to click on that again. So in class course catalog, we want to be in class search. So we're going to go here, and we're going to change the term to a fall semester because our first semester will be in the fall, so we need to know what classes are available in the fall and when they're available. And then I'm going to use fall 2019 as my term used, so we're just going to make a note of that for our teacher. So we use fall 2019 to search up our classes. So first one, you just type them right in and click search. So none matched our criteria, so let's see, it might be an online course. It is, and there's only one option, so obviously that's the one that we're going to pick. So the class number is right here, and you're just going to take that and type that in to your document. And the location is online. And since it's online, there's not certain days or times that you have to be there. So then we're going to go to the next one. CIS 105, change it back to in-person. And there we go, we have lots of options. So since it's the first one that's an in-person class, we don't have to worry about overlapping times. So we're just going to pick one. So I'm just going to pick the first one. And then you see, you make note of the class number, start and end time, and location. And then it's Tempe campus. And then the days and times was Monday, Wednesday, and then you see it's 3:05 to 4:20. That one's all set, so moving on to English 101. Lots of options again. So now we need to make sure that it's not overlapping the times of our other class. So they can't be, obviously you can't be at two places at once, so you need to make sure that they're at different times. So we're just going to pick one over here. So this one is different times, so we're going to choose that one so we can make it to both of them. It's also at the Tempe campus. It's Monday, Wednesday, Friday. It's 10:45 to 11:35, so that's not at the same time as our other one, so we're all set. Okay, next up we have a math course. So now we have lots of options, and they're at different campuses, so I'm going to make sure I pick one that's at the same campus of my other classes. Just making note of what times my other classes are at so we don't overlap. And I'm just going to find one that I think will work. This one right here, it's on a different day than my other ones, so I will be able to be there. Take the class number, copy that down. Location, it's also in Tempe. And it goes Tuesday, Thursday, from 7:30 to 8:45. Next up, my sociology. Search that one up, go down here. Make sure to find one that doesn't overlap. Here's one that looks like it'll work. I only have one other class on Tuesday, Thursday, and it's at a different time. So I think that one will work. So we're going to go over here, and we're going to copy the class number again. Also in Tempe, 1:30 to 2:45. And the last one. And there's only one, and it's an online course. So we're going to take the class number, online, and no days or times since it's online. And there you go. That's your assignment completed. We're just going to label it. You can label whatever you want. I'm going to do term 1 outline, and you can submit it in Canvas.